To change wallpaper in S24 Ultra, let's start by opening up the settings. In the settings, I want you to scroll all the way down until you see wallpaper and style. In here, I want you to select change wallpapers. We have featured wallpapers, your phone gallery, and you have more wallpapers available. You also have your Galaxy theme wallpapers. The new Galaxy AI, if you heard about it, the wallpapers are under the generative, and in here you set a theme, you then set your text, and you select generate to generate the AI wallpaper. Regardless where you've selected your wallpaper, just tap set, select home screen or lock screen, and then when we tap done, it's going to set the new wallpaper.